Top of the hour, let's begin as the Congress party seems to have a problem with roads being built and development projects being rolled out, especially in the state of Bihar. Now, this party has now gearing up for the upcoming elections in the state, which are scheduled to take place by the end of this year. Congress leader Kanhaiya Kumar has now floated a bizarre theory behind the construction of roads and setting up of small industrial units in the state. Now, Kanhaiya Kumar believes, because he's been spelling conspiracy behind this development push, claiming that capitalists and businessmen around the world are eyeing Bihar's water and roads being constructed as state's resources are being looted and would be shipping them out of the state.
बिहार में है पानी, और पानी याद कीजिएगा मेरा यह बात, ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस याद कीजिएगा, आज बोल रहे हैं पानी पेट्रोल से भी ज्यादा कीमती होना है, क्योंकि पेट्रोल पीने से प्यास नहीं बुझती है। पानी की जरूरत सबको है। दुनिया में जिस तरह से पानी खत्म हो रहा है, दुनिया भर के पूंजीपतियों और कारोबारियों की नजर बिहार की पानी पर है। और जब इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन होना था तब इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन नहीं हुआ है, और जब इंडस्ट्री अब ऑटोमेटिक हो गया है, जहां लोकल लोगों को रोजगार नहीं मिलेगा, तब ये जो है छोटा छोटा यूनिट लेकर के आ रहे हैं ताकि यहाँ के पानी का दोहन किया जा सके। ये जो बड़ी बड़ी सड़कें बन रही हैं हमारे आसपास, हमारे पास तो इनकम ही नहीं है, तो सड़क बना रहे हैं किसके लिए? सड़क बना रहे हैं यहाँ का संसाधन लूट के लेके जाने के लिए।
Well, Tetri is with us right now. Tetri, even are we hearing of what Kanhaiya Kumar is rather claiming in this Bihar, when it comes to bizarre theory of Bihar waterway, because he's been saying that water is depleting around the world, capitalists and businessmen of the world are eyeing the resources of Bihar, also claiming that the BJP is bringing development projects to Bihar only to loot the state's water resources. Does it even make any sense?
Well, absolutely, that is a very controversial statement coming in from Congress leader Kanhaiya Kumar, who in fact is not only sparking a controversy over the development projects that are taking place in Bihar ahead of Bihar Assembly elections. That is important to note, and not just that, but he is also in fact alleging that BJP is in fact, BJP wants to loot the water of Bihar, and not just that, but he is also questioning that why the roads are constructed in Bihar. So remember that on one hand, where Congress leader Kanhaiya Kumar is questioning that why developmental projects are taking place, why the roads are being built, constructed in the state of Bihar, and on the other hand, there are other Congress leaders as well who earlier in the past have in fact mentioned on record that the state of Bihar is not developed under the leadership of Nitish Kumar, who is also an ally of the BJP. And not just that, but they have also in fact stated that because of the BJP, because of Nitish Kumar, there is no development taking place. Now when the development is taking place, Congress has a problem with that also. So now certainly such kind of questions will be raised by the BJP as well, so as to Congress really needs to make their mind and stand clear, so as to what do they think as far as the development projects are concerned in Bihar, and how the leaders of Bihar particularly react to the statement given by Kanhaiya Kumar. Back to you.
So development chahiye Tetri ya nahi chahiye? Because he's been also questioning as far as the Bharatmala project is also concerned. He's been questioning why it is being built, saying that if Bihar does not have anything, then why roads are being constructed. I mean, development chahiye par nahi bhi chahiye. That is the sense that we are trying to understand of this messaging that has now come across. Of course, the Congress party already in a very sensitive relation with the RJD in Bihar.
Well, absolutely. You see, development chahiye to bhi problem hai, development nahi chahiye to bhi problem hai.
Just stay on with us. We're trying to get as many reactions as possible. Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP is with us. Pradeep, good morning. Here is Kanhaiya Kumar, who seems to be floating a theory saying that we do not have any income, so they are building roads. For whom are they building roads? To loot the resources and take away from the people. Does it even make sense?
Well, the Chota Pappu is competing with the Bada Pappu in the Congress party, and that is the logic of the Pappu brigade here. The Pappu brigade does not understand and realize that building roads increases the economy. This is why they will not be able to understand that the growth rate of Bihar at present is 14%. And this is why the Pappu Brigade have been sitting in the opposition for more than 80 elections. And a man who considers himself to be educated was defeated by the people of Bihar in the Lok Sabha, was defeated in Lok Sabha in Delhi, and consecutively the Congress party will be defeated in Bihar, because this questions the wisdom of the people of Bihar. And no wonder the man who speaks about it took more than 10 years to complete his PhD and still is jobless, like his master, who's called Bada Pappu by the people of the country.
So does he want that Bihar remains a backward state? Because the development push, it seems that Kanhaiya Kumar is not very happy, or seems to be anti-development push.
Well, Pappu Brigade has always been anti-development and pro-communal politics. They want to take Bihar back to the Lalu days, Lalu and Congress party days, where Bihar was known for Gunda Raj. Today, Bihar is known for development, good roads, and they are anti-growth. This exposes the anti-growth, anti-development, anti-merit mindset of the Congress party, and this is now sealed it, that the people of Bihar will give a befitting response to this mansikta of the Congress party, which is against the development of Bihar.
All right, Pradeep, thank you very much for joining in. So the BJP taking on both the Congress and the RJD here, saying that it seems that the party is against development. However, here is the Congress leader, Kanhaiya Kumar, who seems to be resorting to fear-mongering and invoking businessmen and industrialists, saying that somehow Bihar's resources would be looted if it falls in the hands of certain businessmen.
बिहार में है पानी, और पानी, याद कीजिएगा मेरा यह बात, ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस याद कीजिएगा, आज बोल रहे हैं, पानी पेट्रोल से भी ज्यादा कीमती होना है, क्योंकि पेट्रोल पीने से प्यास नहीं बुझती है। पानी की जरूरत सबको है। दुनिया में जिस तरह से पानी खत्म हो रहा है, दुनिया भर के पूंजीपतियों और कारोबारियों की नजर बिहार की पानी पर है। और जब इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन होना था, तब इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन नहीं हुआ है, और जब इंडस्ट्री अब ऑटोमेटिक हो गया है, जहां लोकल लोगों को रोजगार नहीं मिलेगा, तब ये जो है छोटा छोटा यूनिट लेकर के आ रहे हैं, ताकि यहाँ के पानी का दोहन किया जा सके। ये जो बड़ी बड़ी सड़कें बन रही हैं हमारे आसपास, हमारे पास तो इनकम ही नहीं है, तो सड़क बना रहे हैं किसके लिए? सड़क बना रहे हैं यहाँ का संसाधन लूट के लेके जाने के लिए।
So here is Kanhaiya Kumar claiming that the way water is depleting across the world, there are capitalists and businessmen of the world that are eyeing the water resources of Bihar. Let's listen into the counter coming in from the BJP side.
नेता वैसा चेला, जिनका नेता राहुल गांधी हो, उनके चेलों से, मतलब उनके फॉलोअर से क्या अपेक्षा की जा सकती है? कन्हैया कुमार ये सिद्ध कर रहे हैं कि राहुल गांधी उनके नेता है। राहुल गांधी कोको कोला वाले को शिकंजी वाला कहते हैं, आलू से सोना निकालते हैं, अलग अलग थियरी देते हैं कि शिवजी ने संसार को ही निगल लिया था। अब कन्हैया कुमार जी ने भी अद्भुत ज्ञान दिया है कि बिहार में सड़कों की आवश्यकता नहीं है। वो बिहार का अपमान भी करते, कहते हैं कि बिहार के लोगों के पास इनकम कहाँ है, कुछ कहाँ है, सड़कें क्यों बना रहे हैं, और फिर बिजार थियरी देते हैं कि पेट्रोल से प्यास नहीं बुझती। पेट्रोल से प्यास नहीं बुझती, सड़कें इसलिए बनाई जा रही है ताकि पानी चुराया जा सके। ये है बिजार थियरी। पर ये
फखरुल हसन जी हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ गए हैं। सर, आपको क्या समझ आ रहा है कि कन्हैया कुमार आखिरकार कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं? क्या वो डेवलपमेंट, विकास चाहते हैं या नहीं? क्योंकि सड़कें अगर बन रही है बिहार में तो उससे शायद उन्हें आपत्ति है।
नहीं, देखिए, बिहारी नहीं, सही और भी जगहों पे पूरे देश में सड़कें बने। उत्तर प्रदेश की भी सड़कें बन जाए, गड्ढा मुक्त हो जाए, तो जो 17 में वादा किया था वो भी बेहतर है। समाजवादी पार्टी समझती है कि सड़कें बनने से निश्चित रूप से विकास होता है। जो रास्ते बनते हैं, आने जाने का रास्ता बनता है, आवागमन होता है, एक्सप्रेसवे बनते हैं, उससे निश्चित रूप से जो व्यापार है वो भी बढ़ता है। और कन्हैया कुमार जी क्या कहना चाहते थे वो समझ के थोड़ा बाहर जरूर है, लेकिन अगर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लीडर ये कहते हैं कि आलू से सोना निकाला जाता है, उनके नेता हैं, तो आलू से सोना निकालने का बयान राहुल गांधी जी का नहीं था, वो तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी का दुष्प्रचार था। किसने बयान दिया था? वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी।
कम से कम आप मान रहे हैं कि आपको भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि कन्हैया कुमार आखिर कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं। धन्यवाद आपका फखरुल जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। उदित राज ऑफ द कांग्रेस पार्टी इज ऑल्सो विद अस। उदित राज जी, गुड मॉर्निंग। कैन यू हेल्प अस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट योर लीडर कन्हैया कुमार इज नाउ टॉकिंग, बिकॉज ही इज सेइंग दैट द पीपल ऑफ बिहार ऑलरेडी डोंट हैव इनकम, सो व्हाई बिल्ड रोड्स?
I don't think that he's not reachable. You can confront directly with him. What does it mean? In what context he has said? I'm not aware of. Of course, he's available. If he's not available for his comment, explanation, then matter comes to us or to other people.
Sir, do you wish to hear what Kanhaiya Kumar said?
I don't think that whatever you are saying is correct.
No, I can play out. I can play out for a better understanding. Then you can give us the point of view of what you understand of what Kanhaiya Kumar has said. Please do, sir, stay on the line. We'll just replay what Kanhaiya Kumar has claimed, that the water is depleting across the world and capitalists and businessmen are eyeing the resources of Bihar. Let's just quickly listen in once again to Kanhaiya Kumar.
बिहार में है पानी, और पानी, याद कीजिएगा मेरा यह बात, ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस याद कीजिएगा, आज बोल रहे हैं, पानी पेट्रोल से भी ज्यादा कीमती होना है, क्योंकि पेट्रोल पीने से प्यास नहीं बुझती है। पानी की जरूरत सबको है। दुनिया में जिस तरह से पानी खत्म हो रहा है, दुनिया भर के पूंजीपतियों और कारोबारियों की नजर बिहार की पानी पर है। और जब इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन होना था, तब इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन नहीं हुआ है, और जब इंडस्ट्री अब ऑटोमेटिक हो गया है, जहां लोकल लोगों को रोजगार नहीं मिलेगा, तब ये जो है छोटा छोटा यूनिट लेकर के आ रहे हैं ताकि यहाँ के पानी का दोहन किया जा सके। ये जो बड़ी बड़ी सड़कें बन रही हैं हमारे आसपास, हमारे पास तो इनकम ही नहीं है, तो सड़क बना रहे हैं किसके लिए? सड़क बना रहे हैं यहाँ का संसाधन लूट के लेके जाने के लिए।
Udit Rajji, now you've heard what he is saying. He is saying that Bihar doesn't have anything, we don't have income, then why roads are being constructed?
No, you see, he has said in wider context. Certainly, the future war will be fought for water. Water scarcity is everywhere. But see the background in his state. He is not saying that roads should not be made or other amenities are not made, but he has linked it to it that the capitalists, the corporate houses, they show the interest where
no, but isn't building roads and construction of roads and units, industrial units, does the messaging that goes around is that the Congress party against a development push?
Context in which he has said, you see what happened that BSNL went everywhere, whether it was a loss or a profit, but what happened? Airtel and Vodafone, they could not reach out where the really people needed. So what happened is the corporate houses, they go for their profit, not for benevolence of the people or common good of the people. This is what he has said. Thank you.
But he's been claiming that water is depleting across the world and capitalists and businessmen of the world are eyeing the resources of Bihar and are trying to loot it. Thank you very much, Udit Rajji, for your point of view, and to you, Tejasvi, as well. Let's shift